Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to undo delete for me message on WhatsApp. So let's begin the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. So let's start the video. If you have deleted the delete for me option and you want to undo it, so here is the WhatsApp. So first of all we will go to our messages. So here what you need to do is you will simply tap on the message and press and hold it. At the top there is a delete option. You will simply tap it, and here is the option of delete for me. So after tapping on it, the undo message will be uh, like this. So you will simply press and hold it and tap on delete and delete for me. So here is the undo option. You will simply tap on undo and the message has been uh, recovered. So like this, then I will show you that how you can do it. First of all, tap on it and tap on the delete option. Here is the delete for me, and the bar has been come of undo. You will simply undo from here. So this is the simple process of undo the delete for me option of message on WhatsApp. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching.